Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. Another cooking episode, and today we are going to make this meaty spaghetti. So keep on watching. I'm using ground pork for the meat and fresh spaghetti pasta that is cooked for about 5 minutes in boiling water. I added garlic and onion to the meat. Usually I saute garlic and onion first before putting the meat, but this time I did it the way around. Because I was planning to use powdered garlic and powdered onion, but I've decided to use the fresh ones. So after that, I seasoned it with salt and pepper. This pasta sauce is with hidden vegetables, so it has carrots in it. I rinsed the pasta bottle with warm water and added it to the sauce. I'm using cheddar cheese as well as Parmesan cheese for the toppings. I love to add a lot of cheese on my spaghetti sauce. In the pasta sauce, the label says no added sugar, so I'm adding a little bit of sugar so that the sauce will be sweet, because Filipinos, they love sweet spaghetti. I don't know, it's just how Filipinos are. Most Filipinos, not all. And here is our finished product, our spaghetti quick and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified of our next upload. Till next time, bye!